to this roof. Now we know that we cannot